Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all is well. Yes, dear students, in previous class I had explained the name of direction: north, south, east and west. 71% water यानी थर्ड फोर यानी 29% land and 71% water are converted on the land. Okay, so I am coming. We have seen many types of stars: Milky Ways, Dugdh Mekhla. Milky Way is known as Akash Ganga. Yani like this, Akash Ganga is another name of Milky Way. Okay. So dear students, now I am coming on the point of galaxy. What is galaxy? What is galaxy? So that there are million of stars in the universe. There are million stars in the universe. A system of stars in outer space is called a galaxy. The sun belongs to a galaxy called Milky Way. And like this, sun and their 8 planets is converted in Milky Way. Milky Way is known as Akash Ganga. So dear students, it is known as galaxy. A system of stars in outer space is called galaxy. Yes. Now I am coming constellation. A group of stars is called constellation. A group of stars is known as constellation. They are very large and are made of extremely hot gases. The sun is also a star. The sun is made up from nebula. When nebula was destroyed and small particles is known as sun. The sun gives us light and energy, and the sun gives us light. The sun is a star and stars have own light. Stars have own light. So the sun and their family lives in Milky Way, Akash Ganga, you can say. And second, I have described constellation. A group of stars is known as constellation. Understand? Now third, sun and their planets. Sun and their planets. I am describing in about this topic, the sun and their planets. The sun is a star and it is made from nebula. When nebula was destroyed in many parts of small particles, so a small particles of the nebula is known as sun, and there are 8 planets of the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system and all planets moves around the sun. So by the help of this picture you can understand very well that like this, the sun gives us light and energy. If sun is not giving light, the sun gives us light, and imagine if sun is not giving light, so that's flora and fauna are not feeling well. Yes. Yes, dear students, you are seeing the map of this is sun and the orbit of all planets. Okay, so all planets yes, dear students, you are seeing the map of 8 planets of the solar system, and you are seeing a sun. A sun is a star. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west, and all planets moves around the sun. Yes, and this is not only for planets. The sun moves around Milky Way or Akash Ganga, understand? And like this, if you want to see in any constellation in the sky, so during the night time you can see Saptarshi, and like this you can see a constellation of stars. It is also known as Saptarishi Mandal, is a constellation in the northern sky. Scientists call it Ursa Major, yeah, the Great Bear. Understand? Yes. Now I am coming on the topic of this. In next videos, I hope that any problem. So you are confessing any problem regarding this. So that you have to make a video in this your fair notebook and read very clearly in book of history, a book of geography, not history. Our earth in the universe, yani what is the condition of our earth in the universe. Okay, and the earth is known as the sister of Venus. पृथ्वी की बहन Venus को कहा जाता है. Yes, any problem? Dear students, now in next video. Thank you so much.